In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face ID. After testing this iPhone for a week, I can tell you setting up Face ID was really easy and really accurate. Before we begin though, quick disclaimer. To continue with this video, you need to have your passcode on. Without it, this or any other iPhone won't allow you to add face data. When you're ready, let's begin. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode. And then scroll to click on Setup Face ID. Now, after tapping on Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, you can scroll in this pop-up and decide if you wish to use Face ID with a mask, don't use Face ID with a mask, or decide later by tapping on this button at the bottom. Then hit Done. And if you want to, tap on Setup an alternative appearance now or in the future. This way, after adding your second face data, your device will always recognize you. Make sure this switcher next to iPhone Unlock is green, because without it, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. Additionally, if you want to, you can manage all of those switches next to all of those features to deny or allow unlocking using Face ID. Without further ado, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!